Hello, everyone, and good evening to you. Thank you so much for joining us here on Mississippi Live. I'm Emily Leonard. Mississippi Governor Tate Reeves released this video on his social media today, announcing more jobs coming to the Golden Triangle. Aluminum Dynamics is adding 100 new jobs in Lowndes County. The recycled aluminum manufacturer is investing more than $200 million in a facility in the Golden Triangle Industrial Park. A stretch of highway in Thaxton is getting a new name. MDOT is dedicating part of Highway 336 in Pontotoc County as the O'Neill Warren Memorial Highway. Warren served with the Pontotoc County Sheriff's Department as a jail administrator and served as Thaxton Town Marshal. He died in February. The state legislature made it official for the highway dedication earlier this year. It covers 1 mile starting at Hunter Road and heading east in Thaxton. That dedication ceremony is set for this Friday at 10:30 at Thaxton Baptist Church. And this story is for my kids and it's for your kids. A Lego store is coming to Ridgeland. According to Lego's website, the store will open up at the Renaissance at Colony Park. Unfortunately, though, a date for the store's opening has not been announced. Pretty sure we're going to be taking a trip to Ridgeland once it is. Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining us here on Mississippi Live. I'm Emily Leonard. Have a great night.